one of the things we learned is that Satoshi did not create Bitcoin as a giant store of assets, right? Satoshi created Bitcoin as an idea of how to protect privacy during financial transactions, right? Mm-hmm. And, Bitcoin is not the first invention that became something different than what it was intended to be. I mean, dynamite, Listerine, like the list goes on and on and on, right? Like things are not today what they were back then. And so one of the things that many of the cryptographers, the cypherpunks, right, these computer scientists from the 1990s, who are very much like afraid of like the future as they saw it, like surveillance capitalism essentially, would say to me is, when you're doing this investigation, don't think of Bitcoin in 2008 and 2009 what it is today. You have to kind of put yourself in the mindset of where we were then.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move.